All right, hi. Hi, AP Psych. So, first, your quiz for Unit 5 is still on AP Classroom because a lot of people didn't do it. So I extend the time for Monday at 5 o'clock. So if you have not completed your Unit 5 quiz on AP Classroom, please do so now as soon as possible. So I messed up. I messed up. I admit it. I apologize. There's a unit in, I'm sorry, there's a section in Unit 5 that I did not go over with you. It's language, critical thinking, and problem solving. So I apologize. There used to be 11 units, now there's 9. So that particular section I forgot went to Unit 5. So for Monday, I want you to go over the that notebook. So it's critical thinking, language, and problem solving. There are notes and a video for you to review. So that's for Monday. And then Tuesday through Friday, we will work on the development, the human development, which is probably my favorite unit. I highly recommend watching Babies on Netflix. If you don't have Netflix, it's available on YouTube, and I will try to make sure I remember to upload that for you so you can have access to that. A little bit different in terms of work this week. There will be one FRQ um, that'll be posted, or it's already actually open on AP Classroom. So there won't be any graded work, just attendance work and notes on Google Classroom. So you have to go on AP Classroom and take the Unit 6. There's the FRQ, and then there'll be 10 multiple choice questions. The FRQ is a research FRQ. The day of the AP exam, there'll be 2 FRQs for you to do. One is concept and one is research. So that's what we've been doing is concept. You read a scenario and then you apply the terms, which reminds me, one of the major issues of last week's FRQs, not last week's, Unit 4, was that you weren't answering the prompt. You were just using the vocabulary and giving like a random example. So please make sure that you're reading the scenarios because you won't receive any credit for what a lot of you wrote. So remember to read the scenario and then answer the question based on the words they give you as they apply to the scenario. Now, Unit 6 is going to be a little bit different. Like I said, it's going to be research based. So there will be, which means there will be a chart or a graph, something with numbers, okay? I have been assured and they've explained you on the day of the exam will not have to make a chart. So have been previous FRQs where they give you information. They go, all right, now make a graph or chart out or whatever it is. You don't have to do that. You're just going to type. But for the second question, you will definitely have to read a chart, a graph, something of that nature. So this week's FRQ that is due on, we'll say Friday, for Unit 6 is a research-based FRQ. It's on College Board, the AP Classroom College Board. The reason why I did that is I want us to get, Jack just farted if you heard that. That's, yep. Jack, man. Oh boy, these videos are great. Okay. So anyways, so it's on there, it's open, it's not timed. So you go in, you take your time, you do it. After this week, when we do Unit 7, I'm going to start timing it and having you practice as it would be on the day of. This is just like a, what do you call it, round of practice. It's not practice because it count, but I want to see what kind of issues will occur when writing the FRQ on that document. So Monday, finish up Unit 5. Tuesday through Friday, work on Unit 6. And your FRQ for Unit 6 is on AP Classroom. It's open right now. There's an FRQ that is the research one, right? So that's the second FRQ of the AP exam will be a research one, where you will read this one. You read a chart and answer questions, and then it will be followed by 10 multiple choice questions. Okay, so I hope that was clear. And again, like I said, I have to grade your FRQ Unit 5s, but your FRQ Unit 4s, like I said, the one issue I noticed was that some of you are not reading the scenario and just writing kind of random stuff. So please make sure if you do that to not do that. If you don't understand what that means, reach out to me. I think that's it. So I hope everyone is doing well, and let me know if you need anything, guys.